everyone, it's V from Sifted Leaves, back with a behind the scenes glimpse of our soap making process. In this video, I'm measuring out the oils and butters that go into our soaps. Each ingredient is carefully chosen for its nourishing properties, like mango butter, rich in vitamin A and E, which help make our soaps deeply moisturizing. And sunflower oil, renowned for its ability to soothe the skin. Every oil and every pore lays a foundation for something special, yet simple, nourishing, and gentle. Something that's kind to your skin. If you'd like to stay connected with our journey and be the first to enjoy special offers, hear about new products, and get other insights, I encourage you to join our email list. I'll leave the link down in the description box for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!